Good day, teachers. I'm Teacher Justin and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here in my channel, please do subscribe for more videos like this. So welcome to my very first vlog, and in my vlogs, I'm going to talk about my thoughts, my insights, my best practices, my experiences in my teaching career. So today, teachers, I'm going to talk about, or I'm going to share my online teaching starter pack. So last March, yung unang in-announce yung enhanced community quarantine. So we are at the end of our school year. So for me, as a teacher, ang ginawa ko, nagkaroon ako ng step-by-step procedure kung paano ko i-deliver yung topic ko. Since wala pa akong any idea sa blended learning, sa online teaching, and so on and so forth, since wala pa akong kahit anong idea sa mga ganong bagay, so nag-devise ako ng sarili kong plan. And my plan is first, gumawa ako ng module or gumawa ako ng handout. Yung handout na yun, pwedeng in the form of a PowerPoint presentation, pwedeng, ayun, tinype nyo yung PowerPoint presentation sa Word and so on and so forth. So, what I did, I sent my PowerPoint presentation na dapat ipe-present ako sa kanila sa face-to-face, pero since nagka-enhanced community quarantine, yung ganun na lang ginawa ko, sinend ko sa kanila. Now, my instruction is to read and answer the practice exercises. And if they have any questions, they can message me through my email account or sa Messenger, sa Facebook, sa Instagram, or sa Twitter. So, if they have questions, concerns, kung may clarification sila, they can message me. Basically, not all students makukuha nila agad yung lesson by self-studying or di nila masasagutan lahat agad without the help of any teacher. Not all students can do that. So, dito papasok si step 2. Sa step 2 is online consultation. Now, if your student or kung sino man yung estudyante mo, okay, they have a question, dito, you're going to have to answer those questions. There are many possible ways in order for you to answer all those questions. So, first na pwede natin gawin is via email. Pwede nating i-email sa kanila yung mga answer sa mga katanungan nila, clarification, pwede nyong i-type. Pero for me, online consultation can be in different forms. Pwede siyang through email, pwede siyang through video conferencing. So what I did, if I can answer the question through emailing it to my students, gagawin ko. Pero if kailangan kong ipakita yung solution, yung step-by-step procedure, and I need to show them how, okay, I need to have a video conference. So may mga students ako video call ko, tapos nagkaroon kami ng tutorial online, tapos tinuruan ko sila step-by-step. So paano ko ginawa yon? So sa Messenger, ang ginawa ko lang is I use my tripod, kumuha ko ng paper and pen. Now, tinapat ko lang yung camera dun sa paper and pen, pinakita ko lang, ayan, nagsulat lang ako ng solution sa paper. Now, if they have question, nasasagot mo sila agad. Kung may clarification sila, masasagot mo sila agad. Masasagot nyo yun agad. Kailangan mo lang ng Messenger, pang video call. Now, some of you teachers are very familiar with Zoom. Pwede nyo gamitin yon. Okay? Now, let's proceed to step 3. So, what I did after step 2, online consultation, and napansin ko, maraming nagtatanong, sir, may tanong si ganito, may tanong si ganyan. Para hindi na rin ako paulit-ulit, I started recording myself. Yeah, record myself solving and teaching my lesson. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo anong ginawa ko sa video tutorial ko. Now, at first, I'm not very confident and I'm not really used to recording myself facing a camera and teaching. Di ako sanay. Okay? Dun sa video tutorial na ginawa ko, I'm not in that video. Pero what I did is yung voice ko lang, okay, tinapat ko yung camera ko, yung cellphone ko sa PowerPoint presentation, tapos naghanda ako ng papel sa aking table. So sa table ko, dun ako nagsosolve. So ipapakita ko muna yung PowerPoint presentation, babasahin ko muna ng very light. Kung may word problem, i-analyze namin and i-explain ko kung paano yung approach. Tapos itatapat ko, ipopost ko yung video. Okay? Tapos puproceed ako sa paper. I'm going to solve it sa yellow pad. Tapos wala akong ginamit na kahit anong video editing software dun sa video na yon, sa mga video tutorials ko. So ano yung mga materials na ginamit ko sa video tutorial na yon? So I use my phone, okay, tripod, pen, paper, yung laptop. Actually I made 5 videos, hindi ako sure, 5 videos na tutorial for Pythagorean theorem. So ang ginawa ko, yan, I provided 5 video tutorial per 5 videos. Ayan, yung 5 na yon, walang editing na nangyari. Ang ginawa ko lang is I pause the video and then play and then pause and play and pause and play lang. So 5 videos yon. And I uploaded it to my old YouTube channel. So yung Kiel_Leo pa yon. Ayun, in-upload ko. Then after uploading it, I send it to the officers. Tapos disseminate the information. So that's my step-by-step procedure. Yan yung mga nangyari nung March to April. Pero I'm going to change and revise that. Kasi for me, what I would like to happen in this next school year is I'm going to start first with my video tutorial, followed by my video tutorial muna, tapos module for reference, tapos online consultation. So that's what I did. And I'm just sharing it to you para mabigyan kayo ng idea paano ba magkaroon ng online teaching or paano ba itong blended learning na to. Okay. So in conclusion, we may not have all the materials that we need, pero as a teacher, we must be resourceful to deliver our lesson to our students. So what about you, teachers? Do you have your own online teaching starter pack? Please share it and comment down below kung ano yung mga starter pack na gagamitin nyo or nagamit nyo na for online teaching. And that's it for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts and suggestion in our comment section down below. Share the video. Subscribe for more videos like this. Check out my channel for more videos. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Thank you for watching my videos. See you on my next video. Goodbye. God bless and stay safe. See you on my next video.